Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Narenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today we are headed to a supercar show in Santa Monica. We're up bright and early this morning. Look how gorgeous that sunrise is. 2nd Street. I used to live right over there. Just pulled up to the Collecting Cars car show put on by Chris Harris, and there are some pretty cool cars out here today. Let's check it out. Check this out, guys, made by Smith Engineering. We first saw this at the Quail. It's an S65 powered, full carbon fiber bodied, basically Z8 creation. So it's got the motor from the E92 M3 in a spectacular looking car, and it's a manual transmission. How cool is that? Gorgeous new 992 GT3. Check out this beautiful old Porsche. I love the leather straps. And then a Batman spec matte black Murcielago with a manual transmission. Doesn't get much cooler than this, the World Record Edition Agera RS, the car that went 277 miles an hour in this crazy wrap. Get a load at that all black interior. The presence on this thing is insane. Check out this roof scoop back here. Wow. Oh my God, look at this Bugatti pulling up. Gorgeous all-white Lucid Air Dream Edition. Look at that. Viper GTS R. Check this out, we've got 4 RS6s in a row, all with incredible specs. Nardo gray on Boston wheels, satin black on the stock wheels, and then we've got 2 different RS6s on HREs over here. That is unbelievable. And then speaking of matching spec cars, get a load of these 991.2 GT3s all next to each other in different colors. How crazy is this? 4 991.2 GT3s in a row, and every single one of them is a manual. That is epic. These have the same color seats, and then these both have matching houndstooth seat inserts. Wow. All right, which one are you guys taking? Check out this Isuzu. I actually have no idea what this is, but it looks so cool. The Vecchi Cross. Wow. Look at the interior in this thing. Really cool turnout of old BMWs. Check out this lineup. We've got a gorgeous E39 M5. Check out the interior color on this. Literally mint. Wow. Wonder how many miles are on this. Actually looks brand new inside. Nice E36 M3. Nice M6 E46. How funny is this sun shield? Oh my gosh. Now that is one good looking E46 M3. Wow. It doesn't get much cleaner than that. I haven't seen this rear wing before, actually. See if I like it. It's like a dual. Nah, I don't think I'm a huge fan, but overall that spec is unbelievable. Gorgeous E60 M5. I still think about this car almost daily. Having a V10 sedan would be pretty cool. Pretty Alpina wagon, and then check out the matching spec HREs on this Beamer and Mercedes. That dark green and bronze is such a nice combination. Wow. How is this for a crazy rare car? They only made 99 of these. It's called the Maybach G650 Lawn Delay, and it's a $1.8 million G-Wagon where you can drop the top in the back. That is insane. You can also change the opacity of the glass, little privacy shield. Wow.
What do you think, like it?
Oh yeah.
I can categorically say it isn't mine and I can't afford one.
How's the handling on the crutches?
Do you know what I can do? I've broken, excuse me, I've broken my heel.
Oh no.
My heel. I can do that. So that's what you need.
Check this out, guys. Russell built Safari build Porsche 964. Look at the wide body on this. Apparently it has the same suspension travel front and rear as a Ford Raptor, but it's a Porsche. That is unbelievable. Check out the interior. I think this thing looks so damn cool. Look at this Maserati MC12. That is spectacular.
No, I did not.
The MC12 is one of the craziest looking cars ever. Check out how wide the rear wing is. It actually is wider than the car itself. That is sick. Cool Nakaducks in the side here. Nice roof scoop. Dark green E46, cinnamon interior. What a spec. Nice RX-7. Amazing lineup of 964s and 993s. What a beautiful car. How crazy is this? Turbo, 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 turbo. That is insane. These are extremely rare and valuable 993 Turbo S. So some subtle differences between the Turbo and Turbo S. The S has this slit here through the back of the wing, and it also has this really cool 959 style side vent. Man, this is one of the prettiest looking Porsches they've ever made. Viper pulling out. Agera RS pulling out from the show. Oh my gosh. Wonder what the rear view visibility in that thing is like.
Rear window? Who needs a rear window? Alright, well that was quick. See you later.
What's going on, dude? Look how beautiful this Lexus LFA is pulling up. Alright, some heavy hitters pulling up to the show right now. Check this out. Look at that. Black P1. Ferrari Aperta. Headed to Malibu Cars and Coffee right now in an insane convoy.
Don't run me over.
Look at that. Wow. Oh. My God, the pops on that thing are nuts. Cruising down PCH with an Agera RS. Oh my God. PCH with a Koenigsegg in the side view mirror. Doesn't get much better than that. I mean, it's not like I go on drives with Koenigsegg's often, but I actually had no idea that they backfired like that stock from the factory. That sounds absolutely insane. It's actually like deafening, but in a good way. I decided to pull on my Michigan hoodie for the first time in a long time, and I started remembering it's January right now. Back when I was in Michigan, it would be negative 20 degrees, and I'd probably be filming a Chevy Bolt or an Audi A4, and now I'm so thankful I live out here, guys. I am filming a Koenigsegg on PCH, headed to a car show in Malibu. The star of the show for sure, this Koenigsegg, turning heads everywhere. This has got to be the scariest park job of all time. Oh my gosh. Check this out, guys. This might very well be the coolest P1 I've ever seen in my life. This is my ultimate dream car, an exposed carbon. That is just absolutely insane. Look at how all the body panels line up. Take a look at the rear. Now, apparently this car came from the factory, non-fully exposed carbon fiber, and they flew out techs from England in order to make it full exposed carbon. Check this out. Going into the interior. All right, here we go. Look at the door. Oh my God, do I want one of these. Literally the entire car is carbon fiber. We got a beautiful black P1, LaFerrari Aperta Carrera GT. Now, something I didn't know about the LaFerrari is they actually made a 70th anniversary edition where there's only 10 of them. So the LaFerrari is already incredibly rare, but this is a 1 of 10 LaFerrari. As you can see, it actually has a limited edition badge on the steering wheel. And then down here, 70th anniversary. P1 cold start and LaFerrari Aperta cold start. beautiful 765 LT with the roof scoop. Check this out, roof scoop 600 LT, beautiful Senna, and another 600 LT. The purple carbon on that thing is wild. Look at this car, guys. It's the Ghostbusters machine. This is ridiculous. All right, take a look at the interior. They got some crazy stuff in here, but I love this thing. What? Looks like they've captured a ghost right there. Electroplasmic residue. Excuse me, sir, what do you do for a living?
Hey, what do you do for a living?
I don't know, I do this.
There we go, baby.
Well, guys, what an incredible day that was. Going to 2 different car shows, seeing a bunch of friends, and going on a crazy drive with a Koenigsegg. Checking out that carbon fiber P1. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.